The world gone crazy, it's coming on like rabies. I'm sure that I could save me if I tried, and I'd cry for all the other people living life under a steeple, wishing they were born equal. I ain't that guy. I was born in late 1870, but they won't let me leave. There's no place like home, even if you're alone. It's where you keep your broken bones and things you own. And if you find a